Lord have mercy. If y'all want to know more about these vegan cookies that I just made, y'all need to keep watching my video. This makes no sense, y'all. So y'all, I've been seeing a couple of vegan cookie commercials. I mean, not a couple. I've been seeing these cookie vegan commercial by Sweet Loren running in my area. So I decided, and I have been trying to find this cookie dough in my local um, grocery store. So I finally had ran across them. They are selling them now. And I wanted to show you all, there's two different types of cookies that I'm going to make. I'm going to make those um, chocolate chip cookies. And then I'm also going to make the sugar cookie dough cookies as well. And as you can see, both of them are gluten-free, dairy-free, they're vegan, and they are non-GMO. So they're non-GMO verified. Now, here's chocolate chip cookies. This is how they initially look when they come out of the package. They're perfectly rounded cookies. And then you cook them according to the instructions. I believe I cooked these for about 15 minutes. And they come out perfectly rounded out of the oven. And I can say they look absolutely beautiful. Just wanted to get a little close up for you all so that you can see how they look when they do come out the oven. And you can actually see the little bits of chocolate chips in them. In these types of in this cookie. I look a little, look like they could be a little bit more chocolate chip. Not a lot of chocolate chip. And look like those chocolate chips could be melted a little bit more. Here are the sugar cookies, you guys. This is how they look when you initially take them out the package. Of course, you get 12 in each package, if I forgot to mention that. And I wanted to see if these were hard, because they felt kind of hard coming out the package. But as you can see, I'm kind of moving, but they do look a bit dry to me. But you know, like I said, these are vegan cookies, so what do you expect? They definitely didn't look like maybe like the Toll House cookies. They don't look as dry. Toll House cookies don't look as dry, but these seemed a little bit dry. So I was a little bit worried, but I did cook them, like I said before, according to instructions. And this is how they look when I first took them out of the oven. So I am letting them cool off just a little bit before I give you all an update on how I actually feel about the cookies. So let's go ahead and get into my review and what I think. And let's catch me in the next clip. Okay, everybody. These vegan cookies. Oh my goodness. Miss Loren's vegan cookies. Chocolate chip and sugar. That's all she offers right now. As far as I'm aware of. I don't know of any kind. This is what I saw at my local store. And I don't want them to fall. See that? Y'all seen the beginning. So this is a true test. This is going to be the true test, okay? I have these cookies taste. Do they taste vegan or, you know, do they really taste like chocolate chip? Do they taste like sugar like they should be? You know, we all know how chocolate chip and sugar cookies should taste. But these are supposed to be a lot more healthier. So the first one I'm going to try is her chocolate chip. Now, initially, in the packet, when you take them out the packet, they look kind of dry. I ain't gonna part. They don't look much. They look kind of dry. But, I mean, if you bought them like Toll House cookies or anything else like that in those little package, those, these just look a little bit more dry, in my opinion. So, I'm going to take the first attempt of trying this chocolate chip cookie. Y'all, we just came out of the oven, okay? I like my stuff hot. They're not too hot, but they're still chewy. These little suckers are chewy. I did cook it for 15 minutes. And you know that when you take cookies out the oven, they still cook. So, I don't like crispy cookies. I like chewy cookies. So, I'm going to rate these cookies on a scale from 1 to 10. It's not bad at all, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. These are not bad at all. I wish they had more chocolate chip in them because I don't hardly taste chocolate chip in these cookies. Now I can see little bits of chocolate chip, but it tastes more like there's more. You can taste more of the oat in these cookies than the chocolate chip. Mm. I did let my kids try these, and I'll tell y'all in a minute which one I like the best. So maybe if she put some more chocolate chip in here, that would taste more chocolate chippy. But I mean, they're still good. They are still good. As you see, I'm still eating them, so they got to be good. Finally got some good cookies on the market. Some healthier cookies on the market. Okay. Now I don't know how well these cookies are gonna be if after a day or two. No. I don't know, but cookies don't last that long in my house anyway. So I could not tell you that. But what I can tell you is these probably been out of the oven for about a good 10 minutes and they're chewy. Now I'm gonna take the sugar and get some more to drink first because rate, comment, and subscribe to my video. Comment below if there's a recipe y'all want me to try or someone else's recipe because I think I'm just gonna gear my channel towards hair. Of course, I love doing hair and product reviews, but also towards other people's recipes and trying other people's recipes. Sorry, y'all, I'm spitting and stuff. And trying other people's recipes. That way, y'all know, because we know we all be on here on YouTube watching how to do some of these cooking videos, okay? Now here's some sugar cookie. This is not as sugar. This is not as sugary as a regular sugary cookie, okay? It's not. It is moist. It is chewy. The consistency of it. It's pretty good. It is good. But you have to think. This is a vegan cookie. With all the other crap in it. Without all the other crap in it. So, it's not bad at all. I don't have an aftertaste whatsoever. Because you have some stuff that you're trying to eat, like healthy, sometimes have an aftertaste. But it's actually pretty tasty. So what would I give these cookies on a scale as far as density and the consistency of the cookies? I would give them a 9. As far as that. I love the fact that they're chewy. I need some water. As far as the taste, I would probably give it on a scale from 1 to 10. I would probably give this about a 7 and an 8. Because when I eat chocolate chip cookies, I wish they had more chocolate chips in them. And maybe that's a good thing. Maybe that's the reason why they're trying to keep it healthy. The sugar cookies, they're not bad at all either. I wish they tasted more like sugar cookies. But these are okay. It'd be great if they had like some macadamia cookies or some oatmeal cookies, oatmeal raisin cookies. I like those too. And my kids feel like that, because I did tell y'all this, my kids felt like that the sugar cookies were better than the chocolate chip cookies. And maybe I just chose a cookie that didn't have that many chocolate chips. Who knows? But this one too doesn't have a lot of chocolate chip in it. But they're not terrible. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, these are super, super, super good. But if you're trying to be a little bit more healthier, I would definitely opt for these cookies whatsoever. I would definitely opt for them. That way you're not getting all the other junk and processed stuff from the other cookies that you'll get that's on the market. Especially the cookie dough. So I'm not sure how long the storage shelf is for those cookies, because I made the whole batch of chocolate chip and also made the whole batch of sugar. Cookies are not going to last. I guarantee you all of those cookies are going to be gone today. So check out Loren's cookies, sugar and chocolate chip cookies. Check her out at your local store. My local store carries it. I got it from Myers. And I will tell you this. Every time I go in there, when I first heard about her cookies on TV, you could never find them, or they were always gone. So whenever when I did see them, I was like, okay, I need to grab these two different types of cookies real quick, because I wanted to do a YouTube video on them. And here I'm finally doing my YouTube video. Will I still eat some of the other cookies? Probably. Oh, but if you're trying to be more healthier, these are the next best alternative to cookies. So with that being said, y'all, thank you for coming to my channel. Rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. God bless, and I'll see you all in my next video.